In a move signaling heightened preparedness, the Ministry of Home Affairs has directed multiple states to conduct comprehensive civil defense mock drills on the 7th of May. The drill is going to be reviewed by the Union Home Secretary. The National Disaster Management Authority, the National Disaster Response Force, Indian Railways are among the key stakeholders participating in the mock drills, which will be held across 244 districts. Prime Minister Modi has held multiple meetings and calls with global dignitaries. Today, the Prime Minister met the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval again.
Once the siren is on, you'll see how the people of the civil defense will be alerted out here. And you can clearly see this particular sirens will be started. And once the voice would come out, the people at that particular end will get serious and will get into action in an attempt to save the people out here. And these are the people from civil defense who are ready for this particular action. And see this particular phase. The siren will be happening now. And that's the siren. That's the alert by the civil defense. You can clearly see the voice which is coming out. Okay, that's the voice. That's the voice coming from the siren. That's the voice coming from the siren. As you can see, the speed, the volume is increasing. The volume, as far the volume is increasing, the people are getting like now the picture number 2 out here, where you can see a lot of civil defense people and also the normal citizens out here. They all are here lying down, closing their ears. You can clearly get the sense. Cameraman Gaurav showing you the visuals from here. The pictures, the exclusive pictures from Ground Zero, India Today TV is showing the atmosphere out here. And I must mention here that this is just the rehearsal. The mock drill is gonna be more and more serious because currently the civil defense people are being trained at Ground Zero to protect themselves from any aerial attack coming from Pakistan. And that time when Indian Army, Navy and Air Force is all set to take on the Pakistan, the government is making efforts to save the citizens, and that's why these attempts are being made with the help of civil defense, the administration and police. This is the police line area, and you can see how people are saving themselves by going down on the ground and closing their ears as well.
Mock drills, civil defense exercises have started as far as Kashmir is concerned, though we know as far as MHA directions, tomorrow is the day when Pan-India will see such exercises, mock drills. Right now I'm on the Dal Lake, and as you can see, the SDRF is doing a mock drill where different scenarios are being seen, and the effort is to send this message across to the people that they need to be prepared. Now, as you can see, this is a drill where a shikara has capsized and people are in water. So this is they're showing how those people need to be saved. Now, while the NDRF, the SDRF have the equipment, but they're even showing how people in their homes using whatever is available, they can use that to save lives. So this is a part of the exercise which are happening in the water, where if different emergency scenarios arise, how in real time the response would be. So as you can see, this is a boat which has capsized. The SDRF Jawans have reached, and they're showing how they need to first get the water out of the boat, save lives, and then once they are brought to the shore, what needs to be done as the first aid to save their lives. So these are the scenarios that are being tested, that are being the drills are happening. Camperson, Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Dal Lake for India Today. Here they are planning this mock drill, this civil defense exercise. In moments it will start, and then if you move to this side, to my right side, these are the calm, silent waters of the Dal Lake, which used to be buzzing with tourist activity. A lot of shikaras, but right now absolutely deserted. Post Pahalgam terror attack, this was expected because we know tourism has taken the biggest hit, and right now out of if you give numbers, out of 100%, hardly 2 to 3% tourist presence in the Kashmir Valley. But as I said, priority is security. Priority is what will happen next as far as in case there is a war kind of escalation. We as of now do not know what kind of response India is planning, but the preparations definitely tell you that something is round the corner, something big is going to happen, and for that there are exercises, mock drills, civil defense, because Kashmir is critical. It is a line of control area. You have a number of security force assets, army assets here, and then also people living close to them. So in case there is an exigency, there is an emergency, people need to be ready. People need to know what they need to do if there is an emergency, if there is a war-like situation. And for that, exactly, the MHA wants these drills and this message to the people that in case there is some escalation, in case there is a war-like situation, what do they really need to do, kind of steps they need to take.
I'm going straight across to Mir Farid, getting us more details on that story from Srinagar at this point in time. Mir, what more can you tell us about what is expected tomorrow? Of course, you gave us a sample of how preparations are already underway for the big day tomorrow when the mock drill gets carried out. But what are you seeing around you at this point in time as far as the preparations for today is concerned?
Well, Sneha, we were at the Dal Lake in the morning, and then we also visited a school here, a government higher secondary school, Jawaharnagar, and there are schools like this one who have already started the preparations. Mock drills are happening because you have to understand that this has happened all of a sudden. Obviously, as we've been saying, this is something, a scenario, an emergency-like situation that has arisen post-1971. That was the last time it happened. So you have to understand that the people are disconnected with such kind of an emergency. They do not know, in fact, how to go about it, even if you have to sensitize the people. Who are the people from civil defense who can do it, who have the right training to give the right message to the students, to the people, because students are important. They'll go back to their families, disseminate this message, and then larger cases, the society knowing about it. So that's why students are being targeted. As far as these drills are concerned, we were here at the Jawaharnagar Higher Secondary, and here we saw one such drill. Students being given these lessons by the teachers who also have had a crash course in this, because to get a professional everywhere is not possible. So the teachers will have to themselves learn it through online, other methods, and get to know about civil defense, the techniques that they need to give to the students, the siren, what does the siren signify, what do they really need to do once there is an aerial strike, missile attack, and all those scenarios are being seen right now, and these students have been told first reaction, how to save themselves, how to save their families, what is their responsibility towards the society. So all these things are happening, but as I said, it is difficult, but not impossible. That's why everyone is trying its best. And from tomorrow, as you rightly said, we are going to see such exercises at a very large scale. And Kashmir is significant because if you see the categories, it is a line of control area. It is an area which is very close to the international border, be it the line of control. And you have many very critical army, air force assets, and there are people scattered around. So these people need to know what the emergency situation could be, what should be their reaction, and the basics of self-defense, of self-preservation. So that really seems to be the intent, but already it has started in many locations. We were at the Dal Lake, we were at the school, and people trying their best, different departments, to do it quickly and do it right. So that seems to be the intent, motive, and already things have started as far as Kashmir is concerned.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Mir Farid getting us up to speed with what's expected tomorrow and also the mock drills that were done in this region today.